Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Flex Error XRE 00250, restart connection and signal troubleshooting. The Xfinity error code XRE 00250 typically indicates a connection, software refresh, or account sync failure where the device struggles to load content or communicates an authorization issue. Troubleshoot Xfinity devices by performing a 30-second power cycle and checking cable connections, or by initiating a signal refresh via the Xfinity app. A factory reset can also be forced by holding the WPS button for 15 seconds while powering on. Fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Detach the power cable from the back of your Xfinity Flex or X1 box. Now keep the device disconnected for at least 30 seconds and reconnect the power cable and let the device boot back to the main screen. Fix 2. Verify physical connections. Cables. Ensure all HDMI and coaxial cables are twisted tightly and firmly plugged into both the device and your TV/wall outlet. Ports. Switch to a different HDMI port on your TV to rule out a faulty input channel. Fix 3. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi gateway. If you are using an Xfinity Flex streaming box, re-establish your local connection. Press the WPS button on the bottom or back of your Flex box. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Xfinity wireless gateway. Now wait roughly 30 seconds for the connection to automatically restabilize. Fix 4. Trigger an account signal refresh. Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app on your smartphone, select your TV device and choose System Refresh. Remote shortcut. If your system allows remote inputs, press the exit button 3 times, the down arrow twice, and then the number 2 to force a local software reload. Fix 5. Factory reset the Flex device. Pull out the power cord. While plugging the power cord back in, press and hold the WPS button on the box for 10 to 15 seconds. Now release the button once the LED lights turn amber. The system will automatically download a clean disaster recovery image and update your software. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.